I'm Rodney Bandy, Chief Information Officer of Piedmont Healthcare. Piedmont Healthcare is a physician-owned multi-specialty group servicing the Iredell County and surrounding areas. We have 46 locations and about 140 providers. Prior to bringing Katalyst on board, we were facing a number of issues technology-wise, most of which were piecemeal technology, antiquated systems. We are healthcare, so primarily the docs and the clinicians are used to paper. So bringing technology in general has its own challenges, and then getting 46 locations to communicate together is another rising challenge all to itself.
Piedmont Healthcare had 46 practices with 46 independent communication systems. Some of them were a hybrid voice over IP, some of them were TDM. So one of their biggest challenges was the integration of all those systems together, how they could easily communicate from one practice to the other.
If you can imagine taking 46 locations with 46 independent systems and trying to get them to work together to do anything, it's just not effective, it's not efficient, it's almost impossible to do. By bringing in Katalyst and the Cisco solution, we're able to unite them and see this organization as one organization. After reviewing a number of different systems, it was really obvious that the Cisco solution was by far the best solution for us and our organization and our business need.
We determined that Cisco's Business Edition 6000 best met Piedmont Healthcare's needs.
This solution was designed to meet their needs today and allow them to grow and expand in the future.
It provides all the tools needed to build a unified communications platform. Each practice, each doctor, each office manager, each individual had their own needs or own wants out of the phone system, so we had to adapt for each site and make those changes as needed.
By implementing the Cisco Unified Communications product, we have been able to simplify the communication between offices as well as make it easier on the patients by being able to transfer a patient anywhere in our organization. One of the things that's made it easy for the physicians and the clinical staff in general is they've been able to 4-digit dial anywhere in the organization without having to navigate through the existing menus of the old systems. Calls are getting through quicker, they're not waiting, they're not getting frustrated and on hold.
One of the biggest challenges Piedmont Healthcare faced was during lunch, their offices closed, physicians and office staff go out to lunch, so now their patients aren't getting voicemail, they're now getting a live agent, so they're able to actually schedule their appointments during lunch, which is when most people call to schedule doctor's appointments. Patients are getting better service because they're actually able to speak to a live agent, and Piedmont is actually able to provide better patient care to their customers. The voice platform, the actual applications that were installed day one, lay the foundation because you can build off of those applications. You can add certain communication clients to the desktop. That includes video communication, video telecommunication between practices can allow practices to stay open longer, and physicians can see more patients, increasing revenues, and ultimately at the end of the day, seeing more patients allows patients to be seen faster.
With the ever-changing healthcare environment here, we definitely are going to be moving more into working with patients wherever they are, and that could include even working with them in their homes. So using the Cisco product, we'll be able to communicate more efficiently with the patients. And with Katalyst's help, I believe we can pull this off. Anyone considering replacing their communications infrastructure seriously needs to take a look at Katalyst and the Cisco solution. The guys are very knowledgeable, they know what they're doing, they know their product inside and out, and the product it sells itself.